Time4Learning's award-winning curriculum can be tailored to any lifestyle. Before I found Time4Learning, I was constantly driving my kids to a tutor, fighting them to finish their worksheets, or pulling my hair out trying to get them to engage. With Time4Learning, my life has become much easier, and my kids now love learning. They can access the activities anytime they want, and I'm surprised at how much they really want to do. And unlike other programs, Time4Learning lets your children complete activities at their own pace. They can go as fast or as slow as needed, and even repeat activities for additional reinforcement. Some days, my son spends hours playing and redoing lessons just for fun. Your children can also complete the activities in any order that makes sense to them. My son gets bored quickly, so he loves skipping around to the activities that capture his attention that day. Time4Learning has been such a relief for our family. I think you'll feel the same way. Take a peek inside the program with a lessons demo to see why.